I'm rocking my G-Shock, 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 I'm rocking my G.
What's up, YouTube? Got an awesome review today. We got the Kobe City Fire Bureau G-Shock collaboration. We have the both series here, the 9400 and the 5600. Just got the 5600, had the 9400 for some time and never did a review. So here we are doing a review for both of them. And unboxing. Let's start with the 9400 since that one released first. A little history. The Kobe City Fire Bureau in Japan, which is about, I think it's 50 miles, approximately 50 miles, 30 miles away from Tokyo, Japan. Kobe City Fire Bureau, and this is their watch. Nice white box. Never forget, go forward, which is kind of a motto for all of service people and fire, law enforcement, and rescue. Never forget, go forward, never stop. Here's the rescue. Bottom of the box is plain. The model number on this one is GW9400 FBJ-4JR. Japan release, so it's a Japan market. Fire Bureau, I'm guessing that's what the FB stands for, module 3410. And let's take a look at this puppy here. He's got this nice kind of metallic silver mirror finish on the top here, Kobe City. And my understanding here is that this is the logo for Kobe City Fire. Inside you have the Japanese manual for the 3410 Japanese. Here is the hang tag that goes around the watch. Multiband 6, my understanding is that this gives you some of the functionality, which includes barometer, thermometer, the compass. Take a look at the watch. G-Shock there, pull it out. Here's the tin. All right, here's the tin, guys. White tin. Here's the rescue orange. Never forget, go forward. Bottom of the tin, you have G-Shock. Top of the tin, you have the Kobe City Fire Bureau logo again. Here you can see the nice silver metallic kind of mirror look on there. It's pretty cool. All right, get to the watch. There she is. Here's the tag. GW9400 FBJ-4. Some of the functions under LED, multiband 6, sunrise, sundown, altimeter, compass, 20 bar timestamp, timer, all that good stuff. But yeah, take a look at the watch. Here we go. This watch was released in 2004, I believe. No, 2015, in July of 2015. Was retail for 500 Japan. Yep, 50,000 yen, which is about $500 USD. There you guys have it. Let's take a look at the watch. It's a little dusty. It's been sitting in the box. I hate when that happens, but nevertheless, nice, cool orange bezel and band with blue accents, and we'll get into the details and reasons for that shortly, but let's just take a look at it now. Black surrounding the buttons, blue font around the bezel. It's got this blue little kind of line around the compass there. Nice, very nice. Open it up, the band. Carbon fiber insert. I always thought that looks cool, the carbon fiber. It looks really nice, my opinion. There it is. Both sides has carbon fiber. Okay. Now here's a tough solder in blue lettering, and here's that design, which is supposed to resemble or is supposed to represent rope. So for those who know, fire uses rope very often, so they decided to add that little aesthetic touch to the watch of the rope on the bands. Okay. Multiband 6. I won't go through all the functions of the 9400. Many people have done that already, including myself. If you want to see that, you could check out my other videos. On the back of the back plate, you have the Kobe City logo there again. Kobe City Fire Bureau engraved on the back plate. 3410 module, GW 9400 FBJ, which is consistent with the model number, which you see right there. All right, make sure that it always matches. If not, it's not the same back plate. The backlight has a carabiner. There you go, right there, with the rope. It's hard to tell, but it looks like you can tell. This is the part where it opens up. Right there, and that's the rope on the bottom there, which is part of rescue, right? That's why they have that there. So that's the 9400. Now let's take a look at the 5600, which is a new release. Oh, sorry. Never forget, go forward on the metal band keeper there. Pretty cool. Never forget, go forward. And also this, it got this serrated edge on the buckle. Probably so you could hold it better. I'm guessing there's some kind of grip, which is pretty cool because the standard 9400 rangeman doesn't have that. Let me show you guys, compare. This is the standard 9400 dirty, my daily beater, doesn't have that. So it's pretty cool touch. Looks very nice, and aesthetically it looks good. So yeah, now let's take a look at the 5600 now, and let's compare both of them. All right, here's the 5600 red box. Some Japanese characters in the front. I'm guessing it says 50th anniversary. Here's the hook again. Here's the model number, GWB 5600 FB-4JR. I'm not sure why they did this. You could see the actual original label was underneath it, and they put this white fake or tape over it. I'm not sure why they would do that, but that's how they sent it to me directly from Japan. Kobe City Fire Bureau on the top again with the mirror finish. Let's take a look at the watch. Inside you have the manual for 3459 module and 3461 module from Japan. G-Shock, here's the pin. This one here has the rescue, G-Shock, rescue, and 50th anniversary. G-Shock on the bottom. Kobe City once again with the metallic finished logo on the top. Open it up. You guys are getting a two for one this time. Here is this beautiful 5600. Holy Lord, this is a nice one. All right, here's the tag for you guys. I know some of you guys are interested in seeing this, some are not, but nevertheless, I'll show it. GWB 5600 FB Fire Bureau-4JR. Some of the functions on this one's very similar to the Rangeman, except it doesn't have altimeter, doesn't have compass. just a standard 5600 with multiband and solar. There's a tag, $280 to 28,000 Japan yen. Not cheap per se. All right, here's the watch. This one's cool. Orange colorway, matte orange. It's got blue accents, G-Shock and blue protection in there in blue. Kobe City Fire Bureau on the band. Then you have the rope again going through the watch. See the band? It's got the rope. Very cool. All right, it's got a nice, this watch is cool. It's got this cool blue accent around the display and then another blue one around the solar panel there. So the solar panel is right there, the black one. It's got this blue accent around and the blue inner accent around it. So you can see it's Bluetooth. The metal band keeper in this case has the Kobe City logo for fire on the band keeper. It also has the same serrated belt buckle, similar to the 9400, which is nice and neat. Now this one has a double layer. You can see that there. Dual layer. It's got the orange and the yellow on the inside, which is nice touch. It's probably one thing to notice is that this yellow probably gets stained very easy, so just heads up with that. This yellow does supposed to represent the Kobe City Fire Bureau fire retardant jackets, which has the yellow accents on there. So that's what that's supposed to represent. The reflective material on the uniform, and the orange is the color of their, orange and blue is the color of their uniform. So it's pretty much supposed to represent the watch itself. This watch was released in December of 2018, so fairly recent release in Japan. All right, let's take a look at the back plate. Yet again, Kobe City logo on the back plate, GWB 5600 3461 module. Let's zoom in a little bit more. There we go. Now, one thing to notice about this watch is that it says it's titanium. The standard GWB 5600 is not titanium, so this one's pretty cool. It's got an extra additional function, or not function, but feature there. A titanium plate, which is pretty neat. All right, let's check out the back plate, the back light, I'm sorry. Here we go. You can hardly see, but I'm turning the light off here. There it is. Very nice. Kobe City Fire Bureau there. Once again, you can see the carabiner with the rope. Very cool. And this 5600 once again has the backlight, which dims in and dims out, which I personally love. I love how it does that. Some people don't like it. It's a newer function, newer feature with the 5600s. They didn't do that before. Now let's compare both watches. Here's the 9400 on my left, the 5600 on my right. Very similar. Let's zoom in. You can see the difference there in the band. The Kobe City Fire Bureau versus the carbon fiber. That one didn't have that. Same rope design. They're both solar, but this one says tough solar. Here's the rope again. Here's the band keeper. The 9400 has never forget, go forward. The 5600 has that Kobe City Fire Bureau logo there. Both have this serrated buckle there. Okay, look at the back plates. There you go. 9400 looks better in my opinion compared to that of the 5600, but they had to add more things on the back plate of the 5600, so probably didn't have room to add that big logo on there. But the 9400 is nice because it's edged. It's like engraved in there. This one is not so much. It's not as profound, the sketching. So there you have it. Then the back plate, carbon fiber bands versus the dual yellow, which is a nice touch in my opinion. And that's it, guys. Very nice watches, great series. Only these two exist in terms of the Kobe City, the 9400 and the 5600. Hopefully they'll keep releasing more. Love the colorway. Reminds me of the Chicago Bears orange and blue. For you NFL fans out there, you know what I'm talking about. All right, guys. There you guys have it. 9400, 5600, Rescue, Fire, Kobe City. Nice watches. Check them out, guys. Hard to find. You could get them. I think that you can still find the 5600 online from Japan. You just have to get it imported. But I wouldn't miss out. These will skyrocket in value and price. So get them soon before they do. Don't overpay. I mean, be patient. Find it out there. But yeah. Nevertheless, I'm out of here, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please like. Comment below. Tell me if you like the series. If you have this watch. Do you have the standard 9400? Same watch. Same functionality. Just different colorway. Great watch. One of my go-tos on a daily basis. But I'm out of here, guys. Till next time, this is Chavo. This is Chicago. I'm out of here, guys. Peace.
Money on my mind, I got my G-Shock watch. Plus I'm super fly. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my Super Shock. I'm rocking my